Tarek, look at the chicken. Look, look. Every piece of bread we give him, he don't throw it down for the chickens, he eat it. Throw it for the chicken. Give it to the chicken. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going on the road and we're going to be going out to see some horses and feed the horses, and we're going to take Tarek with us. And yeah, today's gonna be a pretty awesome day. I'm excited, and Tarek is excited too. He loves the horses, so we decided to take him out today. No, don't do that. Yeah, so yeah, if you want to see how our day went, please continue to watch. Remember to hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Alright guys, so I am going to get a bag of carrots. Should be somewhere around here. Yeah, there, I see it. So I got carrots, and maybe I will get something to drink as well. To drink so we can have the road. Alright, give me a bucket. Alright guys, so on the way to see the horsey, we saw a big guinea tree and I love guinea, so I decided to stop and get some. Jesus, look here, look at this. full of juice.
Get a bag.
Mmm. 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 Guys, it's like an abandoned house, but this big guinea tree. Well, if I'm heading out, but through my shot, I can't catch them. Guys, I don't know if you can see that. Guinea pig, look there. Oh, Oli, this is just like heaven.
Look right above. See all these right here?
Yes, see this. See them, they're nice, you know.
New windshield.
Alright guys, we got some guinea.
It's probably got a
They
tail
are
to it.
nice. They are big. They are. Look how big these are. And they're very, very sweet. So I love guinea, so we decided to stop and get some. Right guys. Alright guys, see the horsey. Over here. Under the coconut trees, a good shady spot. We are here with the horsey, and Tarek is gonna see the horsey. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the horsey. Look, see the horsey. Neigh. Yeah, that's the sound of the horse. So guys, he is super duper happy. He loves the horses. See the horses looking at baby? See? Yes, see the horsey.
Horsey.
Let's go look at the horsey. Yay! See the horsey? Yay! There's the horsey, guys. And this little man, he is so amazed. He loves horses. So he's super happy right now. A little bit like wondering, is that a real horsey or something? He's so quiet. But yeah. Neigh! What sound the horsey makes? Neigh!
Now you're scared. Look.
You can't give it to Terry.
Yeah, I'll do it. Go ahead, boy. Dad, are you scared?
Tarek, see the horse? Neigh!
Nice horsey.
You bite your fingers, Alex.
Just do your hand flat.
Yay! See the horsey, Tarek? Guys, careful. Horse.
Who wants one, Alex?
Hey, see the big horsey? Look at the big horsey. Neigh! Go too far, mommy. guys, so we stopped at another place. It's a little park, pond, and there's lots of chickens and turtles, and a few ducks are here too. So drop it on the throw it down. Okay then.
Look,
so we're gonna right there are a few turtles. There's a turtle.
Here, we can go.
See the chicken? Come this way. Look at the chickens. We're gonna go and see the turtle. Be careful, don't go in the water. No, this is the pond, guys. It's a little park. There's a little swing seats up ahead. You can sit and relax. It's in a neighborhood close by to where we live, so it's very nice. We just wanted to take the baby out for him to see. There's a turtle coming up. I don't know if you guys can see that. He just dipped his head down.
Don't worry, come. Let's go.
You see the turtles coming up, guys. There's some big ones too. I don't see any ducks, but ducks are usually here sometimes. Too bad. I haven't seen any duck as yet, but Tariq is loving it. His little animal excursion today. See the chicken? Yay! Look at the chicken. Every piece of bread we give him, he don't throw it down for the chickens, he eat it. Throw it for the chicken. Give it to the chicken. The turtles want some bread too. Let's give the turtles some bread. Look at all these turtles, guys. See all the turtles, guys. Hi guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching this vlog. If you did, remember to hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. Share the video with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch the ads, guys. It is very important that you watch the ads, and I really do appreciate it. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.